Sophie, and today we're going to be doing heat of fusion of ice. For this lab, there are two terms you have to remember. The first one is specific heat. Specific heat is the amount of heat required to change 1 gram of any substance by 1 degree Celsius. Make sure that it's Celsius, not Fahrenheit. For example, the specific heat of water is 4.18 joules per gram Celsius. So, if you want to change 1 gram of water from 30 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, you have to give it 4.1 joules of heat. The second term is heat of fusion. Heat of fusion is the amount of heat required to melt 1 gram of any substance at its melting point without changing temperature. So for example, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Just like any other lab, units are important. And as I mentioned previously, specific heat is using Celsius and heat of fusion is using grams. So we need to make sure that the electronic scale is in grams and that the thermometer is in Celsius. The first thing we're going to do is measure the mass in grams of 1 styrofoam cup using the electronic scale. Make sure that the cup is completely empty and completely dry as well. Now that the electronic scale is on and in the correct units, which is grams, we're going to place the cup. We can see here that the cup in grams weighs 3.64 grams. Now make sure to record this on your sheet. Before we start, we need to measure the initial temperature of the ice. The ice is at 0.4 degrees Celsius. Now we need to measure the mass in grams of the cup plus the heated water. We can see here that it's 108.2 grams. Now I'm going to take the temperature of the heated tap water in the styrofoam cup. Looking at the thermometer, the heated tap water measures at 42.2 degrees Celsius. After this, you're going to immediately take 2 to 3 ice cubes and place them in the cup. After that, you're going to stir the mixture. The cup should contain ice at all times. If the last of the ice appears about to melt, add another cube. Monitor the temperature of the ice-water mixture. Continue stirring and adding ice if necessary until the temperature drops below 5 degrees Celsius. Record this final temperature of the mixture. Now, we're going to measure the mass of the cup and its contents, which should be the final mixture. We can see here that the cup plus the final mixture is weighing in at 158.20 grams. Now that the experiment is complete and all your data and observations are recorded, complete the calculations and questions. Make sure that all your calculations are done with proper units and that your final answer is in significant figures and in the correct units. Besides that, you're done.